Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain after on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset option. After click on Reset option, click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to App Library and click on Settings App. Search Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on Settings app, scroll down to and click on System and Reset option and Factory Reset. After click on Factory Reset, click on Erase All Data. After click on Erase All Data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix battery drain on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.